Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix storage full warning on HMD Arc. So the first thing is to go into the settings, then find storage, and right here we have free up space, but we'll be using this later. First, what we have here, we have the system, apps, trash, images, documents and others, games, audio and videos. Right here you can go to, for example, apps and see the app's storage. You can see every app right here, and from here you can uninstall them. The same thing with the games, audio and videos and images. Also the images and videos, audios, you can just move them to the SD card if you have it. We have also the free up space that I was talking about earlier. And right here we can clean the junk files. Just hit clear. Also you can uninstall the unused apps, delete the videos and photos that you don't need. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.